So in this video I'm going to show how to change the oil and filter on a 1993 to 1997 Dodge or Chrysler Intrepid 3.3 liter. Procedure is pretty much the same for a 3.5. Okay, so what first thing you want to do is secure your car on ramps or jack stands, and you'll need, of course, 5 liters of 5W30 and a oil filter and something to catch your oil in. In my case, it's a pink laundry basket of some sort. So I'm not going to show the whole procedure of draining and filling, but right here is pretty good access to your oil filter. You can see right here. So reach down and loosen that up a bit. Losing focus here. Okay, so that's loosened up. You can get down, and your engine oil plug is located on the back side of the transmission, or the engine oil pan, Just going to take the oil filter off now. As you can see, it's draining. Here's your oil filter. Pop that in. Take your new oil filter. Just going to lay it down for a second. Take your new oil filter and put a bit of oil around the rubber seal. Not sure if you've seen that or not. And you can put your oil filter back up into, where is it? Right there. Best at holding the camera, guys, sorry. And it's kind of hard to see anyway, but you'll get the point. Okay, so oil filter is in place here now. Take your 13 mil on the back of the oil pan. Here is a 13 mil nut. Break it loose. And let your oil drain out. Put the drain plug back in. Don't tighten too much. And refill your oil. Thanks for watching.